Okay, in this section, we're going to be working with identifying and understanding how to read scientific notation. So a number is written in scientific notation when it is represented as a product, which means multiplication, of a factor and a power of 10. The factor must be greater than or equal to 1, but it has to be less than 10. Okay, so what they're explaining here more in a visual term is this factor has to be either 1 or above, but it can't be greater than 10. So you will always have one non-zero number in front of your decimal or to the left of your decimal, just like here, that 8 was to the left of the decimal. And it's always going to be times 10 to an exponent or the power of 10, okay? So the first thing we're gonna work on is just identifying whether or not a number is written in scientific notation. I see I have a space in there, so I accidentally left a space right there. Okay, so the first one. Well, the first thing we want to check is it a power times, is it times 10 to the power of something? And yes, it is. Then the next thing we'll check is that front number. So we have to make sure, is this number between 1 yet less than 10? Yes, it is. So this would be a yes. Okay, so we'll look at the second one. Is it times the power of 10? Yes. Is this number between 1 and 9.9 or whatever? No, this is less than 1, so this would be a no. Okay, you have to have a non-zero number in that front place. Okay, so you could have something like this, 2 times 10 to the 7th power. This is greater than 1. No decimal means it's sitting right here, and you will come across that every now and then. They're not going to write it out as 2.0. They will just leave it as the whole number of 2. Okay, so let's practice just a couple others. Okay, so let's do 3.9 times 1 to the 3rd power. Okay, so we're going to check first. Is it times 10? No, this is times 1, so this right here eliminates it. This one would be a no. Okay, how about this one? Okay, so do we have one non-zero number in front? Yes. Okay, which means it falls between 1 and just under 10. And it is times 10, so this would be a yes. Okay, let's try one more. How about this one? (13.7) times 10 to the power of 4. Okay, notice we're going to focus here and here. Is it times 10? Yes. There's more than one non-zero number there, which means it's greater than 10. This would be a no. If we answer no on either of these, then the whole thing is a no. It does not meet the expectation for scientific notation. So just a reminder, it's a number, a factor, that is equal to 1 or less than 10. In other words, only has one number to the left of the decimal. And it has to be multiplied by a power of 10.